Hi, I'm Martin and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, it's all about you and how you can free your time by sharing your knowledge. For more information, just go over to www.martindoersch.com and there you'll find more information about this topic. So in a nutshell, what it's all about, it's about you and you want to share your knowledge and not on a one-by-one basis. You want to learn how to record tutorial videos, just small tutorial videos in the beginning, and from that on you can grow and create even bigger tutorials. Why is this important? Because if you have recorded the tutorials, you can share your knowledge with others. For example, processes in the business, onboarding, workshops, and I will go on these topics in the upcoming videos so that you will know what you can do exactly with my knowledge that I will share with you. Because I love to share my knowledge and I also love to help you free a lot of time. Because in the end, you want to have more time with your family and or with your business and enjoy the time you have with them. You have the time because you don't need to repeat yourself over and over and over again in the business. So start right now and go in and learn how you can free your time. If this sounds in any way good to you, just leave a comment below and say, yes, I want to start. And then we will see in the next videos where I will share my knowledge to help you free your time. See you.